everyone, welcome. Today we will be doing a sunset makeup review. Here's everything I got. I ended up getting this little card. That's their information if you want to look them up. Here is a black foundation that I got. I believe it is 1.05 fluid ounces. I was trying to show you here that it says temporary staining may occur. I actually had this on for quite a while and I just wanted to let you know I had no issue with staining whatsoever. It comes with a pump. I know some foundations are just like fully open at the top. You do get quite a lot of foundation, but say you wanted to use this for your whole body or something, I would get like maybe 4 bottles or more, depending on how heavy you want it. What type of cosplay you're doing, I guess. Here I also ended up showing you the powder foundation. It's very hefty. It is a very hefty case. 15 grams, 0.53 ounces. You get a lot. You get a lot of product in this. Just know that it does have a stopper at the top and I ended up removing that for personal preference. This here is the pastel water activated eyeliners. I will be going in depth with those. Here's my palette after using it. And I'm just trying to show you that the eyeliner is kind of like jelly-like consistency. And I will be using an angled brush to review it. I would say the only thing about this is that you will feel it on your face. It's just very dry. It is matte. They dry down super fast, very quickly. Keep that in mind. That one was supposed to be a purple, but it ends up showing like very white on camera. So while looking at these swatches, please just keep in mind that I am a warm olive skin tone. The swatches might look different on somebody else, and lighting has a lot to do with how the color would show off as well. I was trying to show you here that I like completely covered my tattoo. If you just like add on to it, if you go on hefty with the product, it can cover up a lot. I thought it was pretty cool. I just wanted to show you that, you know. And those are the complete swatches. Here's the white foundation. And here's the black foundation. I ended up swatching those on my arm. There you go. And here I am showing you that these eyeliners do not budge. That little white at the tip that you see on my finger was actually from the foundation. That was towards the end of my arm. These things will not budge. They are not going anywhere unless you're like, I don't know, just crazy sweaty, oily or something. They will not go anywhere. That was the only thing I felt on my face. And then of course the black and white foundation, they have no powder on them. And here I am about to show you how to remove it. It's very easy. It comes off. There was no struggle in removing this. Oh, like I was saying, the white foundation, I did not feel any of that. Even after with the powder, it literally just felt like regular makeup. Nothing cakey about it. The only cakiness was the pastel water activated eyeliners. Here I am removing it, and here I am using a primer. So I ended up using a primer. I showed you very quickly. I'm sorry, that was way too fast. Anyway, so I put on a primer and I'm just putting on the white foundation with a sponge. I do recommend you use the powder. As you can see, it comes with its own powder puff and I ended up using that. My skin is very dry. I do not have combination skin whatsoever. It's just very dry. So this makeup was just way too heavy. If you have dry skin like I do, I recommend that you only powder your T-zone, not with the powder puff, but instead with like a brush so you can even it out. I would say mix the white foundation with your color foundation. Again, this is a recommendation only if you have dry skin like I do. As you can see, the foundation was a little inconsistent, but I want to say that that was my fault because of the way that I put it on. I do prefer to use brushes. I'm not sure if it was the sponge that messed it up for me. Again, the pastel eyeliner does dry up very fast. So if you plan on doing some very intricate designs, you might benefit from wetting your brush a lot, keeping the eyeliner very, very thin so that there's enough time for you to actually finish the design. I guess kind of sketch out the design on your face or something and then actually go ahead and layer more eyeliner on top. But I'm just showing you here that I end up using a felt tip first to kind of lay out the shape of the eyeliner that I was thinking of doing. I didn't have any of this planned out, so I wasn't really sure where to go with it, but I ended up kind of doing like a droopy eye clown makeup. So of course I go in first with the felt tip and then I go in with the Wet n Wild Mega eyeliner. That one is a liquid eyeliner, a very true liquid eyeliner. So it's very, very easy to mess up if you're not actually used to doing eyeliner. I recommend you first go in with either an eyeshadow or a felt tip eyeliner. So I did one eye, then I did the other, of course. I had put a pink on my lips, but it just wasn't working for me. So I used the lip gloss because I felt like it matched the wig better. I ended up adding lashes. I doubled up on the lashes. And I thought my hair wasn't really going with the vibe, so I went ahead and I added a wig that I did recently, and I added on some circle lenses, which kind of, I felt like it put the whole look together. And yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you for watching my review, and I can't wait to do more of this for you.